Hi friends, welcome to D Kids. Let's see words starting with F letter. Frog. F for frog. Fire. F for fire. Flowers. F for flowers. Firefly. F for firefly. Fork. F for fork. Foot. F for foot. Fountain. F for fountain. Fish. F for fish. Flag. F for flag. Fan. F for fan. Fox. F for fox. Fence. F for fence. Feather. F for feather. Fruits. F for fruits. Farm. F for farm. Fly. F for fly. Forest. F for forest. Fairy. F for fairy. Finger. F for finger. Fig. F for fig. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.